Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Let's Learn Korean in 30 Days challenge. Today is the fourth day of the challenge, and I think it's going to be a quick one, a very brief one. I want to take a closer look at the final consonants. There are 16 words, new words that I'm supposed to learn and practice some written Hangul. So let's get started. Let's learn a little bit about the final consonants in the Korean language. Hangul requires that orthographic syllables are formed by a combination of consonants and vowels. Syllables come in many forms. One of these forms are the syllables composed of consonant, vowel, and consonant in that order. The consonant in the final position, the final consonant, is called the pachim. Any consonant may be a final consonant, but only 7 sounds may come from the end of syllables, meaning that all consonants change to be pronounced as one of those 7 sounds. So the final consonants are these, but so quite a few of them, but they all they have only they can be pronounced as one of these 7 sounds. So we have aspirated k, 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 n, t, s, j, ch, t, h, s. They're all pronounced as t. Got it. L pronounced as l, m as m, b, p as p, and o. All clear. So let's practice reading the final consonants, and then at the same time I have to remember to look at the final consonants. So final consonant, k sound value, all right? Then we have mok, bok, pak. Final consonant n, san, nun, pyeonji, pyeonji, pyeonji. All right. Then tutta, ot, chitta, kot, kut, hayangta, hayatta, hayatta, itta, l, tal, pal, m, pam, mom, then p, pap, up, and n, kang, bang. So let's practice some more. Circle the 5 words which have syllables ending in final consonants pronounced as t. Well, let's read. Nut, pap, pang, soup, check, noratta. Okay, so this one, malki, meat, this one, pit, this one, kot, this one. So these are the 5. Then circle the 3 words which have syllables ending in final consonants pronounced as k. Pal, no. Pak, no. Oh, pak, yeah, this one. Shik, this one. Sot, no. Tim, no. Ok, this one. And pang, this one, not. So let's see what are the various combinations used when making syllables. We have the consonant plus vowel plus consonant combination, as in bup, yup, a, yung, pang, 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 kyuk, o, myum, so kom, shit, we, and pup, shwip, shwip. And now let's write some syllables. Pyok, all right, pyok, kut, nal, chot, juk, right? Then we have nun, quang, sut, wal, okay, wal, and chip. There are cases when the syllable's final consonant is a dual consonant. And in such dual consonants, sometimes it is the first of the two consonants that registers sound. Examples, anta. So we only read N, anta, or kap, or yodol. So we don't say yodolp, we say yodol. Then we say opta. We don't say obsta, we say opta. Got it. Then tak, tak. Here the second consonant of the two consonants is pronounced tak. Chomta, chomta, and makta, makta, makta. And some practice, read the following. Anta, yodol, kap, opta, opta. Then tak, tak, makta, makta, and komta, komta. And now let's learn some new words and practice the writing. First, we have check, meaning book. All right. Check, check, book. Then we have checksang, checksang, desk. Check, sound. Then we have ankyong, Ankyong. Ankyong, meaning glasses. Ankyong. Right. Then some more words. Okay, we have usan. Usan, meaning umbrella. Usan. 中话, telephone. 中话. Right, and then nun I. One more time. Nun I. We go on. Pal, meaning foot. Pal. One more time. Pal. Pal. All right, then we have Shinmun, meaning newspaper. Shinmun. Shinmun. Shinmun, newspaper. And mul, water. Sorry. Mul, water. One more time. Mul, water. Okay, then some more. Okay, we have kabang. Kabang, meaning bag. Kabang, one more time. Kabang, bag. Then we have kot. Kot, flower. Kot, flower. Kot, right? And we have bang, bread. Bang, bread. One more time. Bang, bread. Okay, 6 to go. We have Yosef, a key. Yosef. Yosef. Key. Oh, I know this comes from Chinese, because in Chinese they say 钥匙. 钥匙. Okay, so Yosef. Then we have kal, knife. Kal, knife. Okay, and guail, as in fruit. Guail. One more time. Guail, fruit. And again, guail, fruit. Gotcha. Okay, and then the last 3 words for the day. 학교. 학교, as in school. 학교. 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 학교, school. And 한국, Korea. 한국, 한국, Korea, 한국. Okay. And the last word of the day, ip, as in mouth. Ip, ip, ip. So I'm going to complete today's session by taking a quiz to test my knowledge. All right, so first read the following. 끝, 안따, 닭고기, 엇, 박, 과일, 깔. Okay, and then listen and select the correct answer. Okay, let's get started.
One,
방,
Pang. Okay, got it.
two,
살,
Sal, this one.
three,
옷,
Ot,
four.
학교,
학교, school.
Number three. Listen and write your answer.
Okay.
One,
물,
Water,
two,
물.
빵,
빵, bread.
three,
한국,
한국,
quiz.
한국. And this concludes day 4 of the Learn Korean in 30 Days challenge. Tell me in the comment section what your favorite method to learn a foreign language is. Do you think there's a better and faster method which I should use instead of the method I am currently using? Well, for the moment being, I am super happy with my progress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next episode, which is tomorrow.